Namaste. This is e-presentation on the topic or review on use of public display in location-based service. These are the contents of this presentation: introduction, evaluation, response, limitation, future work, conclusion, reference. Without any delay, let's begin with introduction. Public display are increasing in public places to support community and social activities. It is eye-catching, appealing to people. Every design is successful and grab people awareness. But it was the past. Recently, our researchers have found that the people are not interested. They are resisting this public display. They even watch 1 or 2 seconds just. So, what's the problem? We try to evaluate what's the situation, how this can be improved, and how this will be improved, and what are the researchers doing to address this problem. And this review paper try to find out, and these are the responses we got. We should consider the target audience. Research questions should be clear, and during experimental study we try to identify people, then acquire their profile and content and determine the interaction and provide them a reliable and standard platform to interact, and regularly monitor the public display and update the information. What are the limitations we found? The limitation we found are behavior in a public space is quite different than in the lab, and the system is unable to support particular things, and there are lots of unnecessary ad and irrelevant information, and unable to address up-to-date and appealing information. So during future work, this should be considered. Ecological validity is often needed internally and externally. Focus internet group of users should be studied and build the system. Further design include personal and online community feedback, and design should be easy, socially acceptable, and use multiple media content, flexible, dynamic, and easy to set up and maintenance. These are the conclusion. Evaluation easy from different research paper, and based on this review we come to the conclusion that the prototype should be successful for certain period, and it will be outdated if it is not revised frequently, and if the information is not changed in a time. It should be revised more frequently, and these are the